Welcome guys. Sorry. Hello, welcome guys. Sorry that we are little late. Not little, but we are late almost half an hour. So sorry for that. But yeah, now we are live. I guess just let me check if we are live. Yep, we are now live. And yeah, you can join the live fast as soon as possible. Okay, we are here. We'll share the link in the group and just join fast. Okay, so today we are going to see the uh, introduction to Express. Sorry, I will just change this Express.js. Okay, so today we are going to see the Express.js. Okay, uh, just a second. Okay, now it's fine. Yeah. So introduction to Express.js. Yesterday we saw the fundamentals of Node.js and we completed the Node.js. Okay. So basically now we are going to see the Express.js. Okay. And we will today we are little late. So I just wanted to drop this 100 days challenge. So that's why I am just still late, but I just started the stream. Okay. So now we will go to the introduction to uh, Express.js. Express.js, okay. And now we will learn about the Express, okay. And we completed the Node.js, okay. And yeah, Express is a small framework that cites all the top of Node.js web server functionality to simplify its APIs and helpful for new features. It makes it easier to organize your application functionality with middleware and routing. It adds helpful entities utilities to Node.js HTTP. Okay, so like MongoDB GA, database, Express.js web framework, AngularJS. Okay, so this was about the installing Express on Windows. Okay, assuming that installed Node.js on your system, the following steps should be install Express on your Windows, creating a directory for your project that makes that our working directory. Okay, so we have our working directory. So in that directory, we will basically uh, let's go towards the 100 days live stream. Okay, and Node.js. It was about the Node.js. Uh, okay, fine. Let's open the. Let's create a new basically new folder, and in this folder we will write express.js. Okay, and let's open this in with code. Okay, now the Visual Studio Code is started and we have the Express.js file. Okay, and in this we created these both things. These are using command line, but we are using VS Studio Code. Okay, and now here using nmp init command to create a package.json. So we will use nmp initiate. Okay, uh, using terminal, new terminal. Let's create nmp image. Let's see what it's the utility will walk through the sorry, the utility will walk you through creating a package JSON file. It only covers the most common items and tries to guess sensible defaults. See nmp help init and use nmp install afterwards to install a package and save it in a dependency. Okay. Hmm, package name. Let's create a package name. Keep pressing enter and enter. Okay. The command describes the dependencies on the file will update when adding further dependencies. Okay. Package name. Let's write demo express. Sorry, name can be longer. Okay. Demo. Sorry. फिर express demo. Okay. Version. Description. Entry point. No. Okay. So yeah, the package.json is created. Done. The main is index.js. So let's create index.js. So basically, this is the main file index.js. Okay, and description, version, and express demo. Okay, so just enter. Okay, enter. Okay, so install Express. Let's install Express now. Uh, Sorry, here. Okay, let's see. Yeah, it's installing the Express. Okay, found 62 package and no. 62 package and audit 62 package in 4 seconds. 4 seconds, it just took 4 seconds to build 62 and 63 packages. What? 11 packages are looking for funding. No, just get lost. Hmm. We are also looking for funding. Here, one indicates the field that must be entered in step 2. Okay, verify that Express.js was installed on your Windows. Okay, NMP inside this file. Okay, inside this file, reveal an external okay, inside this file we need to create initialize this. Okay, 10.2.0, so the express is installed. Okay, the version of express will be displayed on successful installation. Okay, so this was the installation of express. That was very easy. Let's steps to create an express.js application. Sorry, just just give me 5 seconds. I am coming from washroom. Okay, just give me 5 minutes. Sorry, not 5 seconds. Sorry for this. Okay, it was an emergency call. Okay, so yeah, so let's see about steps to create an Express.js application, or else just make look towards another thing. Let's see this. Let's see this. What is best? So this has lots of things. Okay, uh, just give me a second. Just let it load. Okay, let it be. Just let it be. Yep. So if you are new, just like, share, and subscribe with your and share with your friends. Okay. Also share with your friends. So yeah, we are close to 300. So just like, share, and subscribe. Okay. So the Express is downloaded. Okay. See, there is Express file here. Okay. So the Express is downloaded with the another files. Okay, so let's see. Express is the most powerful minimalistic uh, framework. It is used to build upon the built-in model HTTP of Node.js to facilitate the simple and easy interaction between front-end, back-end, and logic. Okay, through API, and also it enables us to organize our business logic in so much pretty manner. It is approach. Below is the fundamental steps to write an Express app. Here we covering the topics like setting up the environment with the installation of modules, creating an application, running the web server, and performing basic app communication with the server. Must know how to use the Node package manager for basic works, basic knowledge of terminal, for installing dependencies, modules, basic knowledge of web application works, and a good knowledge of ESP6. Okay. Step in implementation, write the command in your terminal to create a node application because our Express server will work inside the load application. Okay, so we just created this. Okay, now we create a install Express. Okay, and create a file app.js. We will write the whole Express code in that file. This will our folder structure. Now inside app.js import Express with required keyword and create an app calling the Express function provided by the Express framework. Set the port to the local application 300. Okay, and is default for by you can choose any according to availability of and call the listen function to require part and callback as argument. It starts constant con express require express. Okay, app express port application port. Server is successfully running. App is listening to the on port. Error occurs. Server could not start. Okay, let's move towards the index.js. Let's create. Okay, step to run application. Now as we created server, we can successfully start running. Write this command. Okay, yeah, I know. Node app.js to run our server. Cannot find module express app.js. Okay, sorry. Our file name is index.js. My bad, my bad. Okay, server successfully running. App is listening on port. Now, what of this we have created successfully localhost 3000. Let's go to this. Cannot get. Okay. Okay, it will show cannot get because we have not configured any root on this application yet. Okay, now we will start set all the roots of our application. Roots are endpoints of the server which are configured on our backend server. Whenever someone tries to access these endpoints, they respond accordingly to their definition at the backend. If you are beginner, you can consider route as a function that gets called When someone requests the special part associated with the function and return the expected value, as a response, we can create routes for HTTP methods like get and post and put and so on. The basic syntax for these types routes like this given function, any method path function. Okay, setting up a basic get route path. Okay, just a second. The red things are white space. Okay, break spaces. Okay. Okay. So get app dot get uh, request response response status 200. Welcome to root URL of server. Okay. App listens port error. Server is successfully running. App is listing on port error offer can't stop. Okay. Now let's stop the server. Let's run the server again. Let's go to this now. Welcome to the roots. Oh, okay. Okay. Step to run application. Okay, nice. What is this? Okay, and function localhost along with the all information. Network sections. Okay, let's see what is in the network section. Hmm, okay, setting up one or more request route like on the path. Most of the things are the same as previous example. The set function is used to uh, set HTTP header content. No, 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 no. Let's see the code. What is the change? Like hello, set. Okay, hello, GIF learner. Sorry, GIF not GFF learner. Cannot get. Why? Error cannot start. Hello. Content type. Let's stop. Let's start again. Let's refresh. Nothing. Error is there. Why there is error? I don't know. Step 2, I think save this code, restart the server, open the developer now, access. Okay, okay. So, okay, okay. So, we created this folder, this file. Now, we'll see how to send data to server. Okay, sometimes we have to send our data to the server for processing. For example, when we try to log in on Facebook, we send the password and email to the server. Here, we will see how to receive data from user request. We can send data with the object of the specified path with the okay. Till now, we using browser to interact with the server. But this step, any tool or front end form is much needed to send data because browsers the bar can only send GET request to receiver. Setting up. Okay, setting up a route by accessed by user to send data. Before creating a route for receiving, we will just build inbuilt middleware. Middleware is such a board and more advanced topic, so we are not going to discuss it here. Just to understand a little bit, you can think of this as a piece of code that gets executed between the request and response cycle. Okay, like your in the node, like we printed the HTML code like that. Okay, the Express.json middleware is used to press the incoming request object. The app use is syntax to use the middleware. After then we have created a root part const name, which is the syntax to extract the given property. For okay, after that we simply sending the response to the indicator. Okay, let's run this code. Okay, let's run this code. Not get hello. Eh? Okay, we are not. We don't. Okay, not get. Okay, there is again an error. So tips to run application. We accessing the route with Postman. In tool set API, we can use any other things like exhaust, fetch, or a front end C URL from terminal. But we can make drivers from the topic. Just keep in mind that Express server only demands a path with request object. It doesn't matter from where in coming. Okay. We have sent data as a JSON object with the request body express in sending. Uh, Okay. Express is sending response back us to along data. It indicates that our goal is send data to the server with succeed. Hmm. Okay. What is Postman? Postman API. Okay. Okay. No problem. Sending files from server. Now we will see how to send files from server. Several times we need to transfer the resource from this server as per user request. There are majorly two methods to send files. One is sending statically file using middleware, and other is sending a single file on a root. This is our folder structure, and we want to serve the files of static file directory as static files and image.png on a separate root. Okay. Serving entire directory using middleware. Uh, we don't have just a directory. First of all, we are importing an inbuilt module path, okay? Because later we are going to use one of function provided by module. We simply mounting a middleware static route, okay? The static middleware requires an absolute path, so we join method. The join method takes two parameters and join directory name which contains the path. We are providing that join path the middleware, okay? So this is the code for that. And step to run the application. This will be the returned response when we request some static file from the directory, which we are serving as static. Here you received an HTML file as a response, random txt HTML. The same thing happens when you static.php. Okay, sending a single file on the uh, root with the route with the send file function. Okay, we create a get request of the root on the file path. After then, we are creating the absolute path by joining the path of current directory name and name of the file we want to send and passing it to send file. The root send the image.png file JPG file to the user as the HTTP response. Okay, image as JPG port. Okay, so this is the code for that thing, and this is the error handling basically. Okay, so this was Express application, Express functions. So we need to check this applications. Okay, request, response, router. How to expire session after 1 minute inactivate express session there. Okay, so JSON function example express.json. Make sure you have installed Express module using following this command. Run the Next.js. Now post request with the header, content type application JSON and body. Then you will see the following output on the console. Okay. So basically this is the JSON function and this is the raw function. So yeah, so okay, so today we'll stop here because it will go about the introduction. Okay, so for introduction, this is enough, and tomorrow we'll go to the fundamentals of Express.js. Okay, so this was 22 minutes live. It's enough, more than enough, I guess. Okay, so yeah, so this was the introduction of Express.js, and after this Express.js, we will go towards the AngularJS, AngularJS. Okay, so Angular deliver web apps with confidence. Okay, the web platform development framework for building the future. Okay, so this is about Angular blog docs. Let's go toward the docs. Let's see introduction. Angular is an application design framework and development platform for creating efficient and sophisticated single page apps. This Angular docs help using okay. What is Angular? Angular is a development platform built by TypeScript. As from platform, Angular includes a component-based framework, specific JavaScript classes, fundamental, decorator. Okay, so for Angular, we need to learn TypeScript. Okay, okay. So we don't know TypeScript basically. I don't know TypeScript. So we will go to the React. Basically, we will go to the marine stack then. No mean no A, so we'll go for the R. All right, like RAR. Okay, basically. So the library for web and native user interfaces. Create user interfaces from components. MEAR, MEAM. Right? Okay. So without A, we will go to the React. Okay. So after this Express, we'll go to the React. Okay. Array. So this is like a great thing. See, right? This is the code, video ID and video. Okay. Heading. That's great. Okay. So this is easy, I guess. So I guess React will be like useful to us. Like you, if I take these component, so basic this is a component, I guess. Okay, container or a component C. Okay, then in the search input component, we added the this and the video list. The video list that we created, just we added just that we just go full stack with framework. Okay, Okay, so this will be easy. Let's see. Go truly native and stay tuned on the true to the web. Okay, so Chrome, Firefox, and Safari. Here, Apple and Android. So people expect native apps to look and feel like their platform. React Native Expo let you build the React for Android, iOS or more. They look like feel native because their UIs are truly native. It's not a web view. Your React components render real Android and iOS views provided by the platform. Okay. People expect web app pages to load fast. On the server, React lets you start streaming HTML while you are still fetching data, progressively filling in the remaining content before any JavaScript code loads. On client, React can use standard web. Okay, okay. So we are going to see React after what after Express. We are going to see React. So yeah, so this was for today, and let's meet tomorrow with the fundamentals of Express.js. Okay, so have a good night. Bye.